Welcome to the Furious Vibe, where we explore the latest innovations in the automotive world. Today, we dive into one of the most exciting releases of 2025, the all-new Toyota Motorhome Camper. Toyota has taken the camper experience to the next level, combining luxury, technology, and rugged off-road capabilities into a motorhome that is built for adventure. Whether you're a full-time traveler or a weekend explorer, this camper is designed to provide ultimate comfort and freedom on the road. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper is built on a highly durable chassis, engineered to tackle any terrain with ease. Equipped with an advanced all-wheel drive system and an adaptive suspension, it ensures a smooth ride across highways, rocky trails, or snow-covered roads. The exterior design is both sleek and aggressive, featuring LED light bars, aerodynamic contours, and high ground clearance. Toyota has also integrated solar panels on the roof, allowing for extended off-grid adventures without relying on external power sources. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a spacious and modern interior that feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The camper is designed with high-end materials, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. The living area includes a convertible sofa and a smart dining table that can be adjusted for work or leisure. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and ample storage for all your cooking essentials. Toyota has prioritized comfort and convenience with a fully functional bathroom, complete with a shower, toilet, and vanity sink. The bedroom area features a premium memory foam mattress, large windows for natural light, and built-in storage compartments to keep everything organized. Smart climate control allows you to adjust the temperature for optimal comfort, whether you're in the middle of the desert or camping in freezing conditions. Technology is at the core of the 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper, making every journey smarter and more enjoyable. The central control system is integrated with a touchscreen panel, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, and security settings effortlessly. A state-of-the-art entertainment system with a large screen and surround sound speakers ensures relaxation after a long day on the road. Toyota has also introduced advanced safety features, including 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and an autonomous parking system for stress-free maneuvering in tight spaces. Toyota understands the importance of sustainability, and this motorhome is designed with eco-friendly features to minimize environmental impact. The efficient hybrid engine provides excellent fuel economy, reducing emissions while delivering powerful performance. The inclusion of a water filtration system and energy-efficient appliances further enhances the camper's sustainability, allowing travelers to explore the great outdoors responsibly. With its perfect blend of luxury, durability, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper is set to redefine the way people experience travel. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or seeking an off-grid adventure, this camper is built to handle it all. Toyota has truly crafted a vehicle that offers the best of both worlds. A rugged exterior ready for any challenge, and a sophisticated interior that feels like home.